better today than you did yesterday?
Hmm. Yeah, I think I do.
Me too. Yesterday was hard,
It really was.
but today feels lighter.
Yeah, a little lighter. Hey everyone, welcome back to Listen to English. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Sarah.
We're sitting here with some tea. It's a quiet afternoon.
Yeah, we're just relaxing and talking.
So today, we're talking about feeling better than yesterday,
Yeah, that feeling when today is just a little bit better,
even if it's small.
even if it's small.
So, Sarah, do you really feel better today?
I do. Not a lot better, but better.
What was wrong yesterday?
I don't know, I just felt off.
Off?
Yeah, like something wasn't right, but I couldn't explain it.
I know that feeling.
You do?
Yeah, some days you just feel heavy,
Exactly. Heavy is a good word.
like everything takes more energy.
Right. Even small things.
So, what changed today?
I don't know. I woke up and felt different.
Different how?
Just lighter, like yesterday's weight was gone.
That's nice.
It is. What about you? How do you feel today?
Better than yesterday for sure.
What was yesterday like for you?
It was just one of those days. Everything annoyed me.
Really?
Yeah, small things that normally don't bother me.
Like what?
Like my computer was slow, my coffee got cold. Little stuff.
But it felt big.
Exactly. It felt big in the moment.
I hate days like that.
Me too. But today is better.
Yeah, today feels calmer.
It does.
Do you think we can control how we feel?
What do you mean?
Like, can we choose to feel better?
I don't think so. Not completely.
Me neither.
Sometimes you just wake up feeling a certain way.
Yeah, and you can't change it.
Not right away, at least.
But maybe we can help it a little.
How?
Like doing things that make us feel good.
Like what?
I don't know, going for a walk, listening to music.
Yeah, those things can help.
They don't fix everything, but they help.
Right, it's not magic.
No, but it's something.
Do you do those things when you feel bad?
I try to, but sometimes I don't want to.
Yeah, sometimes you just want to sit and feel bad.
Exactly. Is that weird?
No, I think it's normal.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes you need to just feel it.
And then it passes.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.
What makes you feel better on a bad day?
Talking to someone usually helps.
Really?
Yeah, even if it's just small talk.
That's interesting.
Why?
Because I'm the opposite.
You don't like talking when you feel bad?
Not really. I want to be alone.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah, I need quiet.
Do you feel better after being alone?
Sometimes. It depends.
On what?
On how long I'm alone, I guess.
Too long is bad?
Yeah, too long and I start thinking too much.
Overthinking.
Exactly, and that makes it worse.
So you need balance.
I guess so. What about you? Does talking always help?
Most of the time, yeah, but not always.
When doesn't it help?
When the person doesn't understand.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, if they just say, cheer up, it doesn't help.
No, that's annoying.
It really is.
So you need the right person.
Exactly, someone who listens.
Yeah, that's important.
Do you compare your days?
What do you mean?
Like, do you think about whether today is better or worse than yesterday?
Sometimes, yeah.
I do it a lot.
Really?
Yeah, almost every day.
And does it help?
I don't know, maybe.
How?
Well, if today is better, I feel hopeful.
And if it's worse?
Then I feel disappointed.
That doesn't sound good.
It's not, but I can't help it.
Yeah, I get that.
Do you compare your days?
Not as much as you, but I notice.
What do you notice?
Like if I'm in a better mood today than yesterday.
Yeah, that's comparing.
I guess it is.
So we both do it.
Yeah, maybe everyone does.
Maybe. It's hard not to.
It is. We're always thinking about how we feel.
Exactly, it's natural.
Yeah, but maybe it's not always helpful.
You're right. Sometimes it makes things worse.
Yeah, because you focus too much on the bad days.
And forget about the good ones?
Exactly.
What was the last really good day you had?
Hmm, let me think. Maybe last weekend?
What made it good?
I spent time with a friend. We went to a cafe.
That sounds nice.
It was. We just talked and laughed.
Simple things.
Yeah, but it made me happy.
Those are the best days.
They are. What about you? When was your last good day?
Maybe a few days ago.
What happened?
Nothing special. I just felt good.
For no reason?
Yeah, I woke up in a good mood.
That's nice.
It is, but it's rare.
Do you wish it happened more?
Of course, who doesn't?
True. Everyone wants more good days.
Yeah, but I think we have to accept the bad ones too.
You're right. We can't always feel good.
No, that's just life.
It is. Some days are good, some are bad.
And some are just okay.
Yeah, most days are just okay.
And that's fine.
It is. Do bad days make good days feel better?
What do you mean?
Like, do you appreciate good days more because you've had bad ones?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Me too.
If every day was good, maybe we wouldn't notice.
Exactly. We'd take it for granted.
Right, so bad days have a purpose.
I never thought of it that way.
Yeah, they remind us that good days are special.
That's a nice way to think about it.
Thanks. I don't always think about it that way either.
But it makes sense.
It does, but bad days still suck.
They really do.
Yeah, even if they have a purpose.
True. I'd still rather not have them.
Same.
But I guess we don't have a choice.
No, we just have to get through them.
And hope tomorrow is better.
Exactly.
That's what I do.
Me too.
Do you tell people when you're having a bad day?
Sometimes, not always.
Why not?
I don't want to bother them.
You think it's a bother?
Yeah, people have their own problems.
That's true, but maybe they want to help.
Maybe, but I still feel bad.
I get that. What about you? Do you tell people?
Not really. I keep it to myself.
Why?
I don't know. I guess I don't want to seem weak.
Weak?
Yeah, like I can't handle things.
That's not weak.
I know, but it feels that way sometimes.
I think everyone has bad days.
They do, but I still don't like admitting it.
Yeah, I understand.
It's easier to just say, I'm fine,
Even when you're not?
even when I'm not.
I do that too.
Everyone does, I think.
Probably, but maybe we shouldn't.
Maybe not, but it's hard to change.
It is.
Do you think feeling better is gradual or sudden?
What do you mean?
Like, does it happen slowly over time or all at once?
I think it depends
On what?
on why you felt bad in the first place.
That makes sense.
Like, if something specific made you sad, it might go away quickly.
But if it's just a mood, it takes longer.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think you're right.
What about you? How do you feel better?
I think it's gradual for me.
Slow?
Yeah, it takes a few days.
That sounds hard.
It is, but I'm used to it.
Do you do anything to speed it up?
Not really, I just wait.
And it gets better eventually?
Yeah, it always does.
That's good to know.
It is. It reminds me that bad feelings don't last forever.
That's important to remember.
It really is.
What's the smallest thing that can make you feel better?
Maybe a smile from someone.
Really?
Yeah, even a stranger.
That's sweet.
It is. It reminds me that people are kind.
Yeah, small gestures matter.
They really do. What about you?
Probably a good cup of coffee.
Coffee again?
I know, but it helps.
I'm not judging.
Good, because I drink a lot of coffee.
I've noticed.
It's my comfort drink.
Everyone has something.
Yeah, what's yours?
Maybe tea, maybe.
Tea is good.
Yeah, it's calming.
So we both have our drinks,
We do, and they help.
even if it's just a little.
Yeah, a little is enough sometimes. Do you think other people can tell when you're feeling better?
Maybe? I'm not sure.
I think they can.
Really? How?
Your energy changes.
My energy.
Yeah, you smile more, you talk more.
I guess that's true.
People notice those things.
Do you notice when I'm feeling better?
Yeah, I can tell.
How?
You joke around more.
Really?
Yeah, when you're feeling bad, you're quieter.
I didn't know that.
Well, now you do.
Can you tell when I'm feeling bad?
Sometimes, but not always.
Yeah, might try to hide it.
I know, but it's okay not to hide it.
Yeah, I know, but it's a habit.
Yeah, I understand.
So, we've talked a lot about feeling better than yesterday.
We have. It's a nice topic.
It is, because everyone has bad days.
And everyone has better days.
Exactly. We talked about what makes us feel better.
Yeah, like talking to people or being alone, depending on the person.
Right. Everyone is different.
And we talked about comparing our days.
Yeah, how we notice if today is better or worse than yesterday.
And whether that's helpful or not.
It can be both.
It can. We also talked about how bad days make good days feel more special.
Yeah, because we appreciate them more.
Exactly. And we talked about small things that help.
Like coffee and tea.
And smiles from strangers.
Yeah, little things matter.
They really do.
And we talked about how feeling better can be gradual or sudden.
Right. It depends on the person and the situation.
Yeah, there's no one way to feel better.
No, everyone is different.
But the important thing is that we do feel better eventually.
Exactly. Bad feelings don't last forever.
That's a good thing to remember.
It is.
So, what about you? Do you feel better today than yesterday?
We're asking the listeners?
Yeah, how are you feeling today?
Is today a better day for you?
Or are you still waiting for that better day?
Either way, we hope you're doing okay.
Yeah, and if you're not, we hope tomorrow is better.
Because it will be, eventually.
It always is.
Thanks for listening today, everyone.
Yeah, we appreciate you being here.
Take care of yourselves.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.